Today we're going to learn some Thanksgiving vocabulary. Why? Because Thanksgiving's coming, of course. Come on. First word, Thanksgiving. It's a compound word. It's a holiday in the United States. It is celebrated on the fourth Thursday in November. Thanksgiving, a day of giving thanks. Next word, feast. Feast. A large meal is a feast. Look at all that food. We have a feast on Thanksgiving. Next word is harvest. Harvest. Harvest is a noun, harvest is a verb. When we harvest the crops, we gather the crops, and then we eat the harvest. That is the noun. The crops that were gathered is the harvest. Oh, a verb and a noun. Got it. Pilgrims. Pilgrims. The settlers who celebrated the first Thanksgiving with the Native Americans back in 1621. Pilgrims. Next up, we have Native Americans, the indigenous people who helped the Pilgrims survive their first winter. Native Americans. Next up, we have gratitude. Thanksgiving is a day of gratitude. Gratitude, the quality of being thankful. Gratitude. Here's the star of the Thanksgiving holiday, turkey. Turkey. We eat a lot of turkey on Thanksgiving. Here we have stuffing or dressing. Both words work, stuffing or dressing. It's a combination of bread, spices, onion, celery, all put together and cooked either in the turkey, stuffed inside the turkey, or on the side in a separate dish that goes with the turkey. Stuffing or dressing? Do you like stuffing or do you say dressing? Cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce. Yeah, there's two types of cranberry sauce. The kind on top, with you can actually see the cranberries, and then the one below that's just like a jelly that takes the shape of a can. Cranberry sauce. Many people love cranberry sauce. Do you? Next up, we have pumpkin pie. That's a lot of peas. Pumpkin pie. Fun to say. Pumpkin pie. It's a pie made with pumpkin filling and a delicious crust, usually with a whipped cream on top. Do you like pumpkin pie? It's a traditional dessert in the United States on Thanksgiving. Pumpkin pie. We love our mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Do you enjoy mashed potatoes? That too is fun to say. Mashed potatoes. Yams or sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes or yams? We serve a lot of them at a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Some people like them candied. Some people like them just mashed. Oh, another mashed potato. Yams or sweet potatoes? A tuber, nonetheless. Do you like yams or sweet potatoes? Cornucopia. Cornucopia. A symbol of abundance. A cornucopia. That horn is filled with all the fruits and vegetables. The whole thing together is a cornucopia of harvest. Cornucopia. Parade. Parade. There are many parades to kick off Thanksgiving season. This parade is the Macy's Day Parade. It's the most famous Thanksgiving parade. And finally, Black Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving, when many merchants have huge sales. Why is it called Black Friday and not Blue Friday or Red Friday? I do know, because it is believed that merchants are in the red until the day after Thanksgiving when they go in the black. They make a profit, so their business is in the black after all the sales. Got it? Why does English have so many fun words for Thanksgiving? I don't know, but I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Peace, friends. And thanks for being here.